You know that feeling when you're checking your bank statement and suddenly realize you're paying for 3 different streaming services you barely use, plus that fitness app trial you forgot to cancel? It's the silent drain on your finances that often goes unnoticed. The average person significantly underestimates the true cost of their monthly subscriptions. Those small, recurring charges add up quickly, sometimes to hundreds of dollars a year. It's easy to sign up for a free trial or a service you think you will use, only for it to become set it and forget it, until the money's gone. Managing them can feel like a game of detective work, hopping between apps and emails. But what if there was a simple, centralized way to track, review, and even cut off those services straight from your main banking app? If you bank with Monzo, you're in luck. They've built tools right into their app to make subscription management less of a chore and more of a quick scan. Let's dive into how Monzo helps you take back control of your recurring payments. Monzo's approach is twofold: identifying recurring payments and giving you the power to manage them instantly. First, Monzo automatically tags transactions it recognizes as subscriptions, things like Netflix, Spotify, or your gym membership. They group all these payments together in a dedicated section of the app. This means you don't have to scroll through months of transactions just to find them. At a glance, you can see exactly who you're paying, how much, and when the next payment is due. This visibility is the first, most crucial step in managing your money better. Second, and this is the real game changer, Monzo allows you to freeze the merchant. If you see a subscription you want to cancel immediately, maybe it's an old magazine or a service you only signed up for temporarily, you can select the transaction and choose to freeze the merchant. What does this do? It immediately blocks all future payments from that specific company to your Monzo account. It's like cutting the financial cord instantly. This is particularly useful if you're struggling to cancel with a company that makes the process difficult, or if you're stuck in a minimum term contract and want to ensure no further payments are taken once you've given notice. Of course, freezing the merchant in Monzo is a financial block, not a legal cancellation. You should always follow up with the company to properly close your account if you want to avoid potential debt collection. But as a rapid response tool to stop unwanted payments in their tracks, Monzo's feature is incredibly powerful. By giving you a clear list and a direct, one-tap mechanism to stop payments, Monzo transforms subscription management from a frustrating, manual task into a simple point-and-click decision. This saves you time, stress, and, most importantly, money. So, take a moment to look at your Monzo app today. Review that subscription tab. Ask yourself if you truly need all those services. A little bit of digital housekeeping can lead to significant savings. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.